안녕하세요 여러분! Hi everyone! Welcome back to 5-Minute Korean. So, if you've been wondering how to write your name in Korean without actually learning the whole thing, then you just came to the right video. But you remember that this channel is called 5-Minute Korean, so I only have 5 minutes to explain everything to you, so I hope that you all listen very carefully and just follow all these simple steps. Step 1. I want you to rewrite your name based on how you pronounce it. Not based on how it should be spelled, but based on how it should be pronounced. And then, divide them into syllables. If your name is Ernie, I want you to rewrite it as Ernie. If your name is Jenny, I want you to rewrite it as Jenny. If your name is Lori, I want you to rewrite it as Lori. Go! Step 2. I want you to take a screenshot of this. These are your vowels and these are your consonants. One thing that you have to notice about the Korean language is that Korean is written in blocks. Take for example, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 5 blocks. And one more important note. Each block should always start with a consonant. So the pattern would be consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. One more thing is that your horizontal vowels are to be written below the consonants, whereas your vertical vowels should be written at the right side of the consonant. Step 3. Now, I want you to transliterate your name. That means you have to find the equivalent Hangul for every letter. 1 syllable, 1 block. So Ernie would be like this. Notice how we started with a consonant il. If the name starts with a vowel sound, you always have to use il as the initial letter. That is because we said earlier, you always start a block with a consonant. It doesn't produce a sound, but it follows the rule. Jenny will be like this, and Lori like this. Step 4. So we're not done yet. Keep in mind that there are a few pronunciation rules to have to remember. There are a few names that are easy to transliterate, just like Jenny or Lori. They're good to go. That's it. But there are a few names that need fixing, just like Ernie. The list of pronunciation rules that I'm about to give you is in no way exhaustive, and the list of the pronunciation rules goes on and on and on. But we do hope that this simple list will be able to help you jumpstart your Korean learning, especially in the aspect of pronunciation. Rule number 1. A real that is used as a final consonant and then followed by another consonant should be pronounced as an L. That is why this is pronounced as elni. So how do we fix this? We separate the R sound. This will become ni. We did this because Ariel, if sandwiched by 2 vowels, will be pronounced as an R. Rule number 2. If you want to produce the L sound, just like in Melanie, you have to double the real. So this will be written as Melani. If you write this as like this will become Merani. Because as said earlier, a real that is sandwiched by vowels will be pronounced as an R. So this is Merani, and this is Melani. Rule number 3. So Koreans do not have the sound C. So if your name is Cindy, it'll be written like this, but will be pronounced as Shindy. Rule number 4. If a shid is used as a final consonant but is not followed by a vowel sound, it would be pronounced as a T. Take Christian as an example. You have to write it as Ku-ri-su-ti-an. If you write it like this, then this will be pronounced as Ku-rit-ti-an. So there you go, everyone! So we hope that this video has inspired you to start learning the Korean language or probably regain your confidence if you have lost it along the way. If you're still confused how to write your name in Korean, you can share them with us in the comment section below and we'll try to help you out. At times, romanization can still be very confusing, so at the end of the day, our advice is to learn Hangul, to learn the system of the Korean language. For more Korean contents, you can follow us on our Facebook account, Instagram account, and YouTube account. 그럼 안녕히 계세요.